The glasses are polished and the barrels are full.
Last beautiful weekend that we're just having this weekend, all the weather and all the feeling around the vaccination rate, I'm actually quite excited and just looking forward to showing people what we're doing.
But Canberrans and the businesses who rely on them will have to wait.
The majority of our customers are ACT based.
The ACT government has been clear it won't be rushed.
If you want absolute certainty about when you can go to a winery in Queanbeyan, I think I'd be looking more to November and December rather than October.
Existing rules will still apply in the border bubble.
People from New South Wales who go into the ACT from tomorrow, on return to New South Wales, will also be required to abide by stay-at-home directions.
This Queanbeyan pub will open for fully vaccinated regional New South Wales residents for the first time in almost 2 months.
There's only so much cleaning you can do, of course, and we're hospitality workers, so we like to be hospitable. So it's just it goes against the grain when we can't do what we were supposed to be doing.
Staff will be keeping a close eye on compliance, but first drinks for ACT residents are still a few weeks off.
Some might say that having a draft beer for the first time in a number of weeks is essential, but I'm not sure how compliant that view might be.
30 new cases were recorded in the Territory overnight, with 16 of those linked to known cases. At least 6 people spent some time infectious in the community. There are 15 people in Canberra's hospitals with the virus. 6 of those are in the ICU, 5 on ventilators. 2 of the 6 deaths recorded in New South Wales today were in the southern region. A Queanbeyan man in his 50s died at Canberra Hospital. Another man, also in his 50s, died at his Queanbeyan home. Neither were vaccinated. The ACT will remain largely cut off from New South Wales for some weeks yet. But there is hope people in the Canberra region will be able to get together and stop to smell the rosé fairly soon.
We're hoping that Canberrans will be able to get down to the south coast and into the mountains pretty soon.
More details on the plan to open up to regional New South Wales are expected to be released later this week. Holly Tregenza, ABC News, Canberra.